Mabuhay! Good day, everyone! On behalf of Asigasi Travel and Tours,
I am Aizar,
and I am JM,
and we are your tour guides for today's virtual tour.
to the great city of the Philippines, Pasig City.
Ang syudad kung saan maagos ang pag-asa at saya.
By the way, we have here our captain, Captain Nash.
He is a professional licensed driver for 9 years.
And before we begin our tour for today, please be reminded with all the safety precautions, guidelines, and protocols.
Please be reminded of the word Sana All. S stands for secure. Secure all of your important belongings such as gadgets, money, and jewelries. Our company bears no responsibility in case of any valuable items are lost in your possession.
A stands for appreciate. Appreciate the culture and story behind those places that we are going to visit. Please be mindful of what you're doing and make sure that you don't do any harm to protect and preserve its history.
N stands for needs. Needs of everyone is here in our go bags. We also have our first aid kits in case of emergencies.
A stands for attentive. Be attentive to the instructions and information that we will announce so that you're aware to the flow of our trip.
O stands for overtime. Overtime is not allowed because we have an allotted time in every destination. And please make sure that you follow in the given time so that no one will be left behind. By the way, time check is already 10 a.m. in the morning.
And lastly, L stands for listen. Listen and follow us to make this trip organized. If you hear us whistle twice and wave this blue flag, this means time is up and you need to proceed to our next destination.
So what are we waiting for? Let's start the head count. 15. Okay, everyone is here.
We are here in our first destination, Rizal High School. It was composed of 63,700 square meters and has an almost 20,000 student population. Rizal High School was built on October 1, 1902 and was declared the largest secondary school in the world by the Guinness Book of World Records from 1993 to 2005. Attention tourists!
We are proceeding to our next destination. Hello everyone! Welcome to Pasig Rave Park. Here, we combine the thrill of a rave and the beauty of nature. As we walk through this park, you'll feel the energy of the jungle come alive around you. I hope you enjoy experiencing the harmony of the nature and the nightlife. Attention tourists!
It's time to head off the bus. We're proceeding to our hotel.
Okay everyone, let's start the head count again. Everyone is here.
On behalf of Asigasi Travel and Tours, we are very thankful for choosing us.
We hope that you enjoyed this wonderful trip with us.
Goodbye, tourists!